stopping by. This is the CJW channel. This is going to be a how to fix it video, but I guess I should say, can we get it running again? So stick around. I'll show you what I've got going on. So right here is what I'm working on. This is a Troy-Bilt pressure washer powered by a Briggs. It's been a good pressure washer, but been having issues out of it, not wanting to start, and it hasn't been started in quite some time. And so I know that the fuel and the carburetor needs to be clean. But before I do that, I'm going to show you two other things that you got to check for before you start tearing into the carburetor. So the first thing that you want to do is check for compression. Hear that? So we got good compression. So the next thing to do is to check to see if we got spark. Now, they do make a spark tester, but since we haven't got anything like that, we're going to do it the old-fashioned way. It takes a 5/8 spark plug, wrench, socket. So we're going to hook our spark plug back in. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to hold the spark plug to metal. You should see a spark right in there as I crank it. So we have plenty of spark. So we got plenty of compression and we have plenty of spark. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to dive right into the carburetor, get it torn apart, get the old fuel out, give it a good cleaning. I'm going to take you along and show you how to do that. So to get into the carburetor, we got to first remove a few things. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to take the fuel line off. It's in good shape. Ain't got no holes or nothing in it. And we're going to drain the fuel out of the line here. And then we're going to go ahead and take all this apart. Okay. You've never been taken out before. You want to strip them in there. Okay. So we've got the carburetor off. So we're going to take it to our table and we're going to dig deeper into this. Bowl looks like all that old crap from that ethanol fuel. I'm going to go around in there. And there's a little pinhole right here. It's all corroded over. I'll probably use some carb spray on this. Okay. Some wire. And you want to make sure that your gasket is in good shape, and these are not. But it is what it is right now. And all those little holes in there, make sure they're cleaned out. That wire. And go down in there. And clean that out. Spray a little bit of that go-go spray down in there and that'll get that cleaned out. So I'll be back. Okay. We're going to go ahead and put our needle back in. sprayed me a little bit of that. It's called gum out. And some good stuff right there. Got that nice and clean now. So we got to hook the fuel line back up. There we go. Put that back on. It just basically fits over that. Yep. We got leaking right here. So it is leaking. But yeah, the seal right there is leaking, so that stops that. So I stopped the video because the seal right here was deteriorated, it was gone. But I took some of this rubber I had and I made my own seal gasket temporary, and it's got fuel in it and it's not leaking so far. It's just temporary until I get this thing going, and if not, then I'll get me another one. We'll see if it starts. I'm going to turn it on, and I don't know if it's going to start, but we're going to see. We got a pressure washer that's running great again, and we got a kitty cat lift sitting on Daddy's shoulder. So I appreciate you stopping by and watching the video. Appreciate everybody who subscribed to the channel. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, go ahead and do so. I'd love to have you back. So until next time, take care. Y'all come back now, you hear?